A myth or truth? When we sneeze, our heart stop. That was a question from one of our followers, and it is a myth. Because when we sneeze, the heart does not stop. It might slow down a little, but it does not stop completely. When we sneeze, we take a deep breath, so that increases the lung volume, that reduces the blood flow to the heart, that affects the heart dynamics a little. Then we have also the vagus nerve. By increasing the lung volume, that affects the vagus nerve, so the heart rate slows down, but it does not stop completely. So it is a myth. The heart does not stop when we sneeze. Thank you.